The most significant difference between the wheel spacers before and after is the increased inner wheel clearance. Installing Honda wheel spacers is also an effective way to keep tires from bumping the aftermarket shock absorbers. At this point, you can change the offset by adding wheel spacers with the corresponding thickness. Lower wheel offset helps install bigger brake calipers or covers safely and properly. This enlarges the selection of aftermarket brake kits. The biggest reason you need Honda wheel spacer with high-quality handwheel is to ensure driver safety. BONOSS provides ISO standard grade 12.9 wheel studs and ISO grade 10 lug nuts to ensure a strong wheel spacer hub connection. We use forged aluminum alloy 6061T6 material. Modern CNC machining by 0.02 mm tolerance. The multi-stage hub-centric design fits a wheel hub better. Forged active cooling Honda wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. A brake fade occurs when the brakes heat up under long hard applications. In this case, BONOSS forged active cooling Honda wheel spacers send air into the rotors to keep temperature down. Then come with active cooling grooves, which allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacers when rotating. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. This is helpful to reduce brake thermal decay and improve road safety. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye!